All right, so I have 5 minutes to do my face. 5 minutes. Hannah, tell me when to go.
Go!
Oh my God, 5 minutes. So I'm filling in my brow with Thrive. Oh my God, I shouldn't spend too much time on this.
Go, go, go.
I'm
Your
going.
kids are going to be late.
I know. Oh my God, tell me all the things.
All day.
Oh my God, what appointments am I missing?
Well, the Emmys are happening and the Golden Globes and the Oscars.
All today?
In one day. You
Oh
have
my
3
God.
awards
Ah!
every day.
Okay, look, I'm just being lazy then.
Blend, blend, blend.
Blend with your finger. My God, you guys, this is Smith & Colt, Book of Eyes in Noon Suite. I love this one. Love. You guys, what's my time?
You're at 4:17.
Ah!
4 minutes.
Oh my
almost
God.
left.
Okay, art liner is super easy to use. Let's use that. I'm just trying to find the black. Okay.
Wow, she's going for the liquid liner. That's a bold move.
Oh my God. Let's see how easy this pen is, you guys.
Wow, I'm impressed.
340. Oh my God. Oh God. Oh God. Okay. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. I'm gonna put a little of this essence on. Oh no!
What?
I broke it.
Gotta work with it.
Wait, can you just get it? I can't lift it. Okay.
Outside assistance.
Yes, outside assistance. Wait, see if I can.
3 minutes.
Oh my God. Okay, okay. All right, now I'm just gonna take my Beauty Blender foundation. Don't judge that I haven't cleaned it. And I'm just gonna bounce this on. Oh wait, did I pick the wrong? Oh no, I have the. Oh my God, I have the wrong color. All right, we're just gonna wing it. I have 2, and that's the lighter one, and I'm tan right now, but we'll just wing it. Oh my God. Okay. Ah! All right. This is a cheek luminizer that I made. Can't tell you much about it yet, but might or might not be coming out.
It should.
It should, right?
Yes.
It looks good on every skin tone. Can you imagine? Okay. Maybe a little bit of powder just to press everything in, and then maybe a little bronzer just to contour it up.
Wow. She's
Where
a
we at?
magician.
What time is it?
39.
I have 1:39. Okay. We gotta put some mascara on now. Okay.
Lakes.
Whoa, that brush.
I know. I don't think the brush actually comes like this.
It's kind of smart though.
I know. I think I actually did it myself.
You
invented something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's Charlotte Tilbury.
Tilbury. Okay. A lip. I don't have any lips out there with me. Oh my God. There is. Oh. Oh my God. Look at this. Whole Clé de Peau library.
50 seconds.
Yes. Oh my God. Yes. Multitask, guys. That's what it's all about. If you're wondering what color this is, it's 103 Nectar. It's awesome. You just take a little bit of concealer underneath.
30 seconds.
Brushes down. Done.
With 15
15
seconds
to
left.
spare.
That's all you need.
Wait a minute.
Essential.
But on mine it says now it's 5 minutes. Now.
Oh, I didn't know you had it.
I didn't know either, but we've been recording it.
Whoa, it really
Even
went
more
off.
time. That's great. Okay, done. Bye.